My name is Fernando Nogueira. I am the golf pro at the Conrad Algarve. Let me show you how the hotel is one shot away from the best golf course in the region. With a prime golf location, excellent facilities and luxurious surroundings, the Conrad Algarve is a doorstep with two of the best golf resorts in the destination, Quinta do Lago and Vale do Lobo. We are here at one of the driving range of Quinta do Lago, and I'm going to give you a golf tip. Most average players tend to slice the ball because they have a weak grip. Weak grip means that people tend to hold the club under. When you need to do that, having the V pointing to your right shoulder, your right hand, V pointing to your right shoulder.